This is all the snow. Good morning, everyone. So much snow in the bin. This is what the road looks like. Oh, look at the bin. It's all covered in snow. Oh, look at our trees. It's so beautiful. But you have to be careful because the floor is slippery now. Oh dear. Remember here yesterday it was all white and now it's like wet, and the big truck have been with salt on the road, you can see. But yeah, it's still looking white, it's still looking nice, you know. But yeah, oh gosh, but it's so slippery. And yesterday I wanted to show you what the park looked like, but it was closed. So now, oh my gosh, it is amazing. I hope I'm not gonna fall. It's so slippery. Oh gosh, the floor is slippery. Hi. The floor is so slippery. So, oh wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh gosh. Oh dear. Okay, look at this. White Christmas. The after, what's it called? The morning after. This is the morning after. I was walking here last night. Oh, oh, oh my goodness. It looks so cute. White Christmas. We are walking to the park. You see the park is over there. Oh, look. Snow is still coming down from the tree. But gosh, look at our park. Oh my goodness. That is so lovely. So, I've got a trick now. I need to walk on the areas. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of snow, then I won't slip. But if I walk in places where, oh my gosh, other people have walked in, there is a big chance I'm gonna fall. So I think I'll go on this side. Right. Oh my gosh. Oh, slippery, slippery, slippery. Gosh. I wonder if the dog is feeling cold. It's not, he has no clothes on, the dog. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. If you can see how I am dressed. Oh. Actually, I'm not going to show you how I'm dressed because it's embarrassing. You will laugh at me and you say, no, Louise, you know, you're actually exact. Oh my gosh. Every time I'm saying, oh my gosh, it means, oh, look at our park. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Oh wow. Oh, there is still a lot of snow here. This is amazing. So beautiful. Wow. This is so pretty. Pretty as whoa. Oh my gosh, look, I think the dog wee there. Look. The yellow wee on the snow. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Oh look, there's a snowman. Somebody made a snowman. Oh my gosh. The snow is thick here. The snow is so thick. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. Okay. Oh Lord. Our park. Just amazing. I am actually speechless. It looks so beautiful. So, updates in terms of the kids. So, most schools are closed due to many staff can't get to work due to the snow. But my two, the one who are in secondary school, the school said they are open from 11. But now they don't want to go. They're like, what's the point if we didn't go throughout the day? Look at that snowman, guys. If we didn't go throughout the day, I mean early in the morning when they wake up, and I did wake them up to go to school, then I saw the message. So they are not very happy, but they have to go, oh, we're just missing a carrot. Oh, well, there's a nose there. Oh, and a scarf. Oh, the mid kind of. This is so beautiful. Hey, Mr. Snowman. How you doing? Oh, can't believe how white the park is. I mean, my son said last night, okay, we've been asking for snow, but gosh, we didn't mean this much snow. I'm like, well, make your mind up, you know. It's neither you want the snow or you don't. We wanted snow, you wanted snow, now you have the snow. So enjoy it while you can. I don't think it's gonna snow for the rest of the week. I think this is enough, and I think it should be enough. So Mr. Snowman, or God, this is enough. As much as it's very beautiful, but I think we can't, like, this country is not trained to function in snow. Like, we don't have all the equipment, or like, people are just not trained to, you know, drive in the snow, because we don't see it. We don't see it often. Like, we see snow every 2 years. Oh my goodness. Every 2 years now, I've noticed the pattern. Every 2 years we might see some snow. And boy, this year, one time we see snow, first time we see snow, and this is how much of it we got. So, very beautiful. Oh gosh, look at this tree. I'll come here in spring, yeah, and you see, like, this is so beautiful. And there's a lot of kids off school, of course, and they are in the park. They are in the park enjoying the snow. Oh, our lake is frozen. Oh, it looks frozen. Oh my goodness. Wow. So this is our lake, and it's frozen. Oh wow. Gosh, beautiful. Oh my gosh, literally our lake is frozen, guys. Look, it's frozen. Usually we have water there, but it's frozen. So, oh my gosh, and you have to walk really slow because it's really slippery. Oh wow, look at that huge snowman over there by himself. This is usually the field. The kids usually come here, play football sometime. We have picnics here. Oh my gosh, I'm getting wet. My trainers are like not wearing the right shoes. This is okay. There's two snowmen. Two snowmen. Wow. I don't know if it's snowman. They look more like ice balls. But yeah. Gosh. Kids are loving it, man. The kids are loving it. Gosh. I don't know if I'm gonna bring Jordan here. Oh, look. There's a huge snowman over there. So beautiful. Honestly, it's very pretty, but I don't know if I can live in these conditions forever. Like I said, my skin needs the sun. As much as it's beautiful to look at it, I don't know. Is a snowman? Oh, no, what is it actually? Say what? You might as well say.
Lady, isn't it?
It's a snow lady. Her name is what?
Jerry.
Jerry. Okay. And what's she doing?
She sat on a barrel, sticking her tongue out. Yeah, putting her thumb out.
Oh wow, she's saying, yeah, great. This is beautiful. So how long has it taken you to do this?
How long have we been out here, Lace?
You-
Oh, I think we've been out about an hour.
You've done this in an hour?
Yeah.
This is amazing. You are very good. Wow. This is amazing. Beautiful. Well done. Gosh, can't believe that Dad and his daughter, they are so good with their hands and they are so dedicated, and they do have gloves on, so do not try this without no gloves on. You become like my son last night. After touching the snow, playing in the snow, he went to run hot water and put his hand in it, and yeah, you can imagine the scream, what it was like. So yeah, literally this is Frozen. It's unbelievable. Frozen. I'm just wondering where the duck have gone, because this is their home. They usually swim here every day, and now they're not here. I hope the park keepers took them out last night and are keeping them safe somewhere, because otherwise we won't have no ducks anymore. Oh, ducky, I hope you're safe. Well, this is all our Christmas trees that are selling them. Well, and look at the decoration with the ice. We've got ice. Our Christmas tree have been decorated with ice. So it's just amazing. It's beautiful, and it's like once in a while we get this snow, and it's so amazing, so beautiful. Oh, the pigeons are still here. That's good. So the ducks are not here, but the pigeons are. Oh, okay. Look at this. Oh, this is our water where the ducks come swimming every day. This is literally their home, and we can't see any. No duckies. Where are the duckies gone? Let's see if we can spot one under there. No, I can't see the duckies. But look up here. The pigeons are here. Look. Oh, the pigeons are up here. Wow. Gosh, pigeons, are you not cold? Fly and get somewhere warm. This, if there's anything that we can learn from this, is that pigeon can resist the cold. Not like me. Wow. Oh my gosh, pigeon, stop making a rain. Stop making a snow. Just taking a walk through our park. Very busy with school kids who did not go to school because the schools are closed due to the weather, due to the snow. This is our benches in the sun. In the summer we usually sit here to have some ice cream, and this is what it looks like now, all covered up in ice. All benches, all our seats are covered up, as you can see there. Covered up. Look at this. Here's all the kids' stuff. They love to climb up here. Ah, dear. I think this is good. One day I'll do in springtime when all the flowers are out, what this place looks like, and then you can see the difference. It's such a beautiful view. You know, you have to. This is the. Oh my gosh. The kids are going wild, enjoying themselves, getting stuck in trees between. Oh Lord, look at this. Oh, look at our Go Wild Centre. See, they're telling each other off. Daddy, daddy. This one is doing that to me. Daddy. Oh my gosh. No, I need to bring children out. It's so beautiful. I'll bring children out to come and play. When the others go to school, we'll come out again. So I need to go dry my shoes because they're all wet now. Oh Lord. Gosh. It's so beautiful. Wow. Wow. This is our... Oh my gosh. It says keep deep waters. I'm not going there, but I just wanted to show you. Honestly, walking in snow is so hard. It's a lot of... You have to work like extra careful. It's really hard. I'm literally out of my breath. Wow. Anyone who lives around the park, do you recognize this area? Oh, this is our snow park, a skate park. This is the skate park area. Oh my gosh, I don't even know which way I'm going. I think I'm getting lost. Oh gosh. Right. No, this, okay. I need to find my way out of here because it can be dangerous. And literally, I'm actually sweating from all that hard push in the snow. I'm literally sweating. Came out frozen and now I'm actually sweating. This is our bin, covered in snow. Oh, looks quite pretty. Hello. So people can still put their rubbish there. That's funny. You can still go there, rubbish there. Yeah. Oh Lord. Okay, I have to be careful here because they have a lot of sharp edges for the skaters. So, oh gosh, sorry guys, I'm nearly falling down. It's quite slippery still, but my trousers are wet, my shoes are wet. Oh. Everything is wet. Apart from my top bit, it's actually sweaty. Out of breath. Oh Lord. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. This is open field area. I don't know anywhere else I should go and film right now. I feel I'm getting really tired and I need to now go back home and have a cup of tea. Beautiful landscape. Absolutely. The snow has made this park have such a different picture. And it's a very beautiful picture, I must say. Very, very beautiful. I love it. Love, 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 love the snow. Did you guys build this?
No.
Oh gosh. I was like, how long will it take somebody to do that?
Such a long time.
Oh my gosh. But it looks nice.
Yeah.
Looks pretty. Is that your one?
Yeah.
Should I film you do it? Should I film you guys doing it? Let's see. How long will it take to finish yours?
Oh God, who knows?
So what's the technique to make it stand? Because I can't keep anything up. Like,
You gotta like squish it a lot.
uh-huh.
But when you like do that, you gotta like.
You've got the right clothes for it. Like, I have no gloves. My trainers are wet. And you guys got the right gloves and the right trousers that can kind of
I
dry.
don't know where these are from.
Oh, don't worry about it. I'm just saying, complimenting you that you know how to do snow, how to do with snow. I don't know how to do with snow.
It's a technique you learn over time.
Yeah.
It's actually working. Look at this.
But what if you pick it up and then it breaks?
I'll
What-
try.
So what are you gonna do? Okay. Oh wow. Let's see. This is the technique. Whoa! Well done. Well done.
And then
That is amazing. That is actually.
oh no. Ah!
Wow. I get to see how a snow. Is it snowman you're making?
I think it's gonna be a snow bear, hopefully.
Snow bear. Okay. I get to witness how to make a snow bear. They said it's a snow bear, not a snowman. Well, that's what they said.
Oh, Maddie, with my own two hands, I do not mind.
I think they'll finish the snow bear later, seeing that their friends have joined them to play. So we're gonna have to leave the snow bear alone for now and carry on our walk. Oh, this is pretty with the different color leaves. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh. Well, it looks like nobody has been on this one, apart from, I think that's the fox footstep there. Maybe the fox has gone through here, but nobody else has been through here today because the gates are locked. This dog has a lot of layers on, so he or she is not cold. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the walk in the park with the snow. Let me know if wherever you are, if you had as much snow as London did last night. We don't usually get it, so we are lucky. Shouldn't really complain. So it's all good. Just need to bring the kids out so they can also enjoy this. They did some enjoyment last night, but for some reason I woke up with a sore throat. They are fine. See why I say I don't like the cold weather? The people who are in the snow, going up and down, having snow in their hands and hair and everywhere, they are absolutely fine. In fact, Vanessa, my daughter, she's got shorts on at the moment, and I have like triple trousers on. Got leggings, I got another pair of trousers, then I got tracksuit bottom. So just to protect myself, and I got a scarf and a hat, but I'm the one who wakes up with a sore throat. It's not fair. Not fair at all. Anyone who lives around here, can you guess where we are now? And where are the ducks gone? Still can't see any ducks. Oh, the ducks have disappeared. Don't know where they're gone. Oh, our duckies are gone in hiding. The ducks have hide. Guess nobody has been in the tennis area of the park. I can't actually film this properly because the whole thing, the gates, everything is covered in snow, so you can't see that this is a tennis area. Oh Lord. This park's actually big. So big. This cheese off looks amazing because all the leaves have fallen off and now they've been dressed up with snow, and it just has a really good effect, you know, really nice. Oh, there's the dogs. Hey, duckies. I found you. I've been looking for you. see the ducks? There are 2 of them, or 3. Oh, amazing. They survived the cold weather. And this part of the river is actually moving. The water has become a bit liquid. Oh, wow. Hey, duckies. Hi. Hi, my little duckies. I was worried about you guys. And here you are. Where's your mates? Where are your friends? I want to see all of you. Oh, look at that waterfall. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. I nearly slipped. I would have just fallen flat on my face. Can you hear that water? It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. But it's so slippery here. Super, super slippery. There's the waterfall. Well, I found my friend the duckies, even though there's only 3 of them, but it's good to see them and that they are safe and they're okay. I'm sure the rest are hiding away somewhere and they'll come out when the snow has gone away. So, snow, I don't think the duck like you very much, so you're gonna have to think about melting away soon. Okay, we have enjoyed you. We love the sceneries that you have given us, and oh my gosh, there's another snowman, like literally taller than me. I need to go take a picture of that in the park. I'm gonna go take a picture. Wow, I'm gonna look for that. I'm going there, guys. You see it. Wow. I am walking like I have a broken back. Look at this snowman. So this is not the one that's taller than me, but it is pretty amazing. It's got the carrot, the leaves. Looks pretty cool. I like this snowman. Now let's go take a look at the one I was talking about, the one that caught my eyes from far, far away. It's amazing. Ooh, still walking towards our snowman, the one with is taller than me. I'm sure that snowman is taller than me. Here it comes. This snowman is taller than me. I'm sure it's taller than me.
I think we've done a good job.
Ah, you done it?
We've finished.
What?
my hand in there.
Are you serious? Oh my!
We need a smile.
Oh my goodness! I can't believe it. This snowman is taller than me. I am sure of it.
Well, not with your finger, kid, because you'll make it fall over.
Yeah. Oh, I can't believe it. You've done such a good job.
Did you hear that, Reggie? We did a good job.
A really, really good job. It's amazing. Wow. This is the biggest one yet. I'm sure this is much taller than me. This snow bear, I think this one is definitely a snow bear. It's very, very tall. It's actually done by one of the parents and the kids and the dad. So this is beautiful. Well done, Lisa. This is amazing. You guys did a good job. Brilliant. Well done. How you guys doing? It's so beautiful. I know.